What up, guys? CatapPCG here today, doing not a deck profile, pack opening. We got a Zygarde Forbidden Light pack, so let's get into this pack. This is hard to open. This pack is from my league, as a lot of my packs are from. So yeah. It's 4, and then this is the energy. So we got a Grass Energy, a Dewpider, a Fennekin, Helioptile, Flabebe, Binnacle, Braixen, a Doublade, a Judge versus Hoopa, and oh my god. So, funny story about this card. I have pulled like 4 or 5 of these now, and at like every set, there's a card that I just like keep pulling. Like I've pulled a lot of Lele's. I've pulled like 4 or 5 of this. I've pulled like 6 Duskmanes. So this is not at all surprised me. But I think last week when I got my packs from a cup, I also got an Ultra Necrozma. So this is my 5th one. And I guess this is a pretty nice card to pull. It's still a decent amount of money. So yeah, leave a like and subscribe. Oh, and code. NTK 64QB H4M NVK. Sorry, I get the 9s and the 6s mixed up because I'm actually reading these upside down. So, yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly pack opening videos. Bye-bye.